Connecting Printful to Gumroad allows you to sell print-on-demand products directly through your Gumroad store, automating fulfillment and shipping. Here's how to set it up. Create accounts. Sign up for Printful and Gumroad accounts if you haven't already. Log into Printful. Access your Printful dashboard and go to Stores. Add Gumroad Store. Click Add Store, then select Gumroad from the list of integrations. Authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to log into your Gumroad account and authorize Printful to connect. This grants Printful permission to manage your products and orders. Create products in Printful. In Printful, choose the products you want to sell. Use Printful's design tools to customize your items with your artwork. Set product details. After designing your products, specify titles, descriptions, and pricing. Ensure the product information aligns with your brand and Gumroad's requirements. Publish to Gumroad. Once the products are ready, click Add to Store to publish them to your Gumroad account. Manage orders. When customers purchase your products, Printful automatically fulfills and ships them, streamlining your business operations.